Architecture. Transformer neural network. Description. Explanation of the transformer architecture used in natural language processing tasks. Components. Name. Encoder. Description. Component responsible for processing the input sequences. Subcomponents. Self-attention mechanism. Feedforward neural network. Name. Decoder. Description. Component responsible for generating output sequences based on the encoded input. Subcomponents. Self-attention mechanism. Encoder-decoder attention mechanism. Feedforward neural network. Key mechanisms. Name. Self-attention mechanism. Description. Mechanism allowing each word in a sequence to attend to other words in the same sequence. Capturing relationships and dependencies. Name. Encoder-decoder attention mechanism. Description. Mechanism allowing the decoder to focus on relevant parts of the input sequence during decoding. Aiding in translation and sequence generation tasks. Name. Feedforward neural network. Description. Component responsible for mapping attention outputs to desired output dimensions through fully connected layers. Working process. Steps. Input embedding. Convert input tokens into embeddings that capture their semantic meaning. Encoder processing. Process embeddings through multiple encoder layers, each containing self-attention and feedforward neural network components. Decoder processing. Generate output sequence based on the encoded representations, using decoder layers that include self-attention, encoder-decoder attention, and feedforward neural network components. Output generation. Produce final output sequence, typically probabilities or token predictions. Advantages. Parallelization. Allows efficient parallel processing of input sequences due to its attention mechanisms. Long-range dependencies. Captures long-range dependencies effectively through self-attention, making it suitable for tasks requiring context understanding. Scalability. Scales well with larger datasets and longer sequences compared to traditional recurrent neural networks. Limitations. Computational complexity. Requires significant computational resources, especially with large models and datasets. Interpretability. Understanding attention patterns and model decisions can be challenging due to the complex architecture. Applications. Machine translation. Translating text from one language to another. Text summarization. Generating concise summaries from longer texts. Named entity recognition (NER). Identifying entities like names, dates, and locations in text. Language understanding. Processing and understanding natural language queries in various applications.